Drivers ready? Marshall's ready. Less than 5. Nice and smooth, nice and smooth. Top 5, get right on through. Oh, Dennis with a little bit of trouble there. Oh, the pink one died. Go ahead and pick it up. Good start, fellas, good start. Oh, your top battle right there between Zach and Roger. Watch the 180, watch the 180. They're all going in, they're all coming out. Crosstown. Lead battle coming through those anthills as your leader trying to separate. Oh, he gets caught up on the back. That's going to cost him like 5 positions right off the bat there. Now he's going to have to go to work, make some good passes here as they're heading through the triple triangle. And yes, that put Lopez back up into the lead. Lopez trying to bump up again. Car 12 is now your leader. Has worked his way up through the field and is making a run for it. Davis hanging on that 2 spot. That was car 13. That's both my bump up drivers up into the lead there. It's Lopez and Davis as they're coming through the triple triangle. Oh, Davis having major trouble. Dennis having major trouble on the top up there. That whole pile is just taking it out on each other. As these leaders are just opening up their gap. They got like 4 turns on the rest of the field. They were setting it on cruise control. Just got to keep the rubber down to keep them going. Lopez in 1. Davis in 2. Watch crosstown, clear. Watch going up, step up, watch the step up. Watch the step up. I got people up there, watch the step up. Easy through there, thank you. All right, I didn't see it, but it looks like Lopez got a little bit of trouble. That's going to give Davis the lead. You 2 leaders, remember it. Top 2, bump up. Watch it in the 180, about start finish. Top 2, got about 5 turns on the rest of the field. Watch crosstown, watch crosstown. Davis and Lopez working their way down. Oh, Davis gets a little loose. That's going to give Lopez the lead. But both of those will bump up into the next one with 2:30 left to go. Zach in the 3 spot. Dawson in 4, Jason, Dennis, Travis in 7. Back of the field getting all kinds of jumbled. Help in the front here, help in the front, help in the 180. And if I had an award for marshalling, you'd have it, buddy. Good job, Justin. Watch crosstown, watch crosstown. $130 left to go in this one. As Lopez is opening up a little bit of gap over top of Davis, and they have a huge gap back to 3rd place. Lopez starting to come up on traffic though. Lopez picking his spots. He doesn't have to be greedy, he's just got to be cautious. As leaders coming up through the Daytona turn. Traffic gives way, thank you. Davis heading through the Daytona now. This is race 3 on the track. Race 4 is 10th scale B main. 40 seconds left on the master. Watching the triangle, watch the triangle. Helping the 180, helping the 180. That guy came from the bleachers. Justin trying to be an overachiever, got caught on that one. 20 seconds left to go. As Lopez still your leader with Davis in 2, Zach in 3, Jason 4, Jamal 5, Dennis 6. Your leader's going to get one more lap here as it's race to the line. That's time. Race to the line, helping the triple triangle. Race to the line, race to the line. Help on a step up. Zach in 3rd spot. Jason in 4. Lopez going to come around and take the victory. Davis Taylor in 2nd. And that's a race.